Alright, so now I'm going to talk to you about one of the most important tools which you can use for your referencing. It is like your personal research assistant, in that you will have to do lesser work while you are doing any kind of referencing and citation work, which is actually very important. So how do you go about doing it? Zotero is one of such tools which you can use for your uh, bibliographical or reference related work. You can create bibliographies in that. So how do you do that? So basically you go to zotero.org. You can just search Zotero in Google. You click on this. This is the interface which you're going to get for this. Your personal research assistant. You can check the things which it can do for you. You can scroll that way and see how do you make citation and all those things, and then you can just click on download. Okay, so this is the window which will pop up. You'll have to download Zotero 5.0 for Windows. You can download it from here, and then Zotero connector, which you will install Chrome connector in your Chrome browser. So both the things should be downloaded. Zotero works just like your Mendeley. So if you are having Mendeley, that's fine too. You can use Zotero for the same kind of work. You can build your references and you can cite the work easily, and you can definitely change the styles. So now how does it work? So for example, I'm going to work on say innovation in higher education. So what I'm going to do is I have researched some of the articles which I can put it in my own work. So these are three papers. First one is from McCure University, Innovation in Teaching and Learning in VET. So it's titled Emerging Futures. Similarly, you have I have one more paper, Dubious Promise of Education Technologies, Historical Patterns and Future Challenges. This is one of the paper which I want to cite in my work. And then you have the third one, and you can see here, as I put in, technical change, human capital returns investment, evidence from the green revolution. Now these three papers, can be downloaded and put up in the Zotero bar, and that I'm going to talk about to you in a little while from now. So this is the interface of the Zotero software which you will download, and you can see on the left hand panel you have different folders which you can work on, that I have created for my own work. Let's create one folder here. So how can you create a folder for? So every project will have a folder. All right, so you can create the folder by clicking on this, by clicking on the new collection bar. When you click it, it asks you about a name for this collection. So I'll just write say innovation in higher education, and I'll click on OK. So this is the folder which has been now created. Now this folder can be used by me in order to get research articles in this. So how does it work? I have three papers already lined up which I can put it here, which I think can help me in my project and that I want to cite in my work. So how can I do it? I'll just show it to you. Okay, so now we see this papers which I have shortlisted for my work. So what can I do? I have to first of all put it in my folder. How can I do that? You can see once I have downloaded this Zotero connector, when I have installed Chrome connector, it is going to show me this file here. This is a notification which can come here, and this is says, as it says, that save to Zotero. It's a web page with snapshot. So I'll go to that paper and I will add Zotero. I will add this paper to the Zotero file. How can I do that? I'll click on this. It says you can save it to INHE. Okay, this paper, if it is available, say in a PDF, or if full version is available, I can do it. If not, the abstract and other details will definitely be there. So this is the folder in which I really want it to be done. So I'll just click on done, and this will be available in my folder. Similarly, I'll also add this from here. So I'll click on this and I go here, and then this is the folder which I want. Now you can see Dubious Promise of Education Technology, Sage PDF full text. It shows that this paper has a PDF also which is available. That means full text reading is also available, as you can see here that you can download the PDF. So in the same stead, Zotero also says that you can download it and you can put it there. So it's a management tool. You can use that for your future work. So I'll just click on OK, and this paper is also now added to my Zotero folder. Then I go to the next paper, and the third paper. Here I have got the full PDF also. So even this can be added to that folder. I click on this, and again you can see the full text PDF is available, and I click on done. So I have just added these folders, these papers in my Zotero folder, and now I'm going to show you the Zotero link. Okay, so now once I have done the addition in my Zotero folder, you can see the three papers. First one was Emerging Future, Innovation, Teaching and Learning. Michel et al. Is here now. The second one, Technical Change, Human Capital Returns, is also here. It's written by Foster and Rosenwig. And the third one, A Dubious Promise of Education Technology, Historical Patterns and Future Challenges by Cuban and Generic, is also put down here. Now these three papers are for my ready, I can readily reckon that in my research article which I am going to write. If you want to see further details on a given paper, for example, you can click on this, and on the right hand side you can see it's a book and its title is provided, the author's names are provided, other details like who is the publisher, date of publication, ISBN, URL, and all the other details will come up. Similarly, you can see it for the next one, which is an article. In the article you will also see the abstract provided. This is the title, these are the authors, and abstract. This is the publication house, this is the volume, issue, page number, and the date. So this is also available. Similarly for the third paper, now you can actually see the details. All right, now what happens, this folder, this INHE, Innovation in Higher Education, specifically has been created for all the articles which I'll be saving for this project. All right, so first, this is the first step, that you need to keep all the research articles which you want to cite in your paper handy, and that you can do by organizing it in your folder. So now I'm going to show you how you can do that for in a MS Word file. All right, so this is my MS Word file in which I have written a paragraph, and in this paragraph I have paraphrased it, and I want to cite the articles which I have earlier downloaded in my Zotero folder. So in the MS Word file you will find, once you have downloaded Zotero in your laptop or desktop, you will find it that in MS Word Zotero comes out here like this. After the view tab you get a Zotero tab, so you can click on this Zotero tab, and after that you can see you have add citation and add bibliography thing, and you can also have document preferences, reference, and other things.